TTM, founded in 2012, is a global full-service enterprise of manufacturing metal stamping dies, checking fixtures and welding automation equipment. It has 3 independent divisions. In TTM, we always keep to global market positioning and accelerate the strategic planning of worldwide footprints, globally setting up after-sales centers. We keep up with the requests of our customers in different countries by providing them with more convenient and superior quality services.
My name is Peter Rimak. I'm a technical director here at Top Talent with main focus at stamping process and development. TTM, being a global die shop and check fixture and welding jigs maker, does have a global footprint, and my role will be to help them grow and become even more successful. I'm looking forward for many more years to come.
TTM focuses on leveraging technological leadership in the automotive field with reliable and precise products and process equipment technology. It integrates core competitive advantages in technology and cost, continuously meeting customer demands for product quality, technology, and system performance.
My name is Franco Francese and I am Technical Director by TTM. For each project from our 3 divisions, we conduct detailed and comprehensive analysis of material characteristics, GD and T forming process to ensure each process is strictly followed of the standard. Our team take on the time delivery is our goal. I feel great honor to be a part of this company. I love my job and I am looking forward to many great years to come.
Hello, my name is Ignacio Manso, Director of Quality and Continuous Improvement at Top Talent Tooling Division. But we know technology is only one part. That is why we are developing skills matrices for every key position. The key lies in what we do with that information. We design fully conscious and targeted training. Once we identify the gaps, we don't trade for sake the training. We train our people with clear purpose.
TTM's understanding of manufacturing and process has been developing over the past 10 years, which is the result of unprecedented investment in equipment, facilities, and human resources.
We have 72 sets of CNC machines with maximum machining size 6 meters and minimum 0.01 millimeter accuracy. They can run in 24 hours with 2 shifts. All of these are necessary to facilitate efficiency and accuracy.
We have 5 sets of mechanical press for 2 tryouts from 200 ton to 2100 ton. With more than 10 years industry experience, technical experts will effectively solve any tough potential concern in manufacturing.
We continuously introduce manufacturing, processing, and inspection equipment with world-class advanced standards to meet customer and future demands.
We have 9 sets of brand new CMM. The minimal accuracy we can reach is 0.02 mm. Meanwhile, we have a hexagon absolute arm and a blue light scanner for measurement. Qualified stamping components will be inspected by both checking fixture and CMM. Only after the components pass inspections can we start welding and assembly jobs.
With the one-stop service, TTM can not only shorten project lead time, but also help save project budget, which has become a competitive advantage for our customers to adapt to the challenging in the global market and improve efficiency.
We are very proud to serve diversified customers all over the world. We will continue to keep the long-term strategic partnerships with global automotive industry customers and strive to become an excellent supplier in this industry with our sustainable competitive advantages.
Today, TTM is not only a supplier of automotive industrial solutions, but also a partner in promoting intelligent and automated solutions in different industries. It is also a pioneer in industrial innovation and quality assurance, and will also be a trusted strategy partner from your side.